When looking at fleet management solutions, it can be confusing to understand what fits your field of work best. This video series is dedicated to showcasing what solutions work best in what sectors. In this video, we compiled a list of the 10 main solutions that courier and delivery service providers use to improve and digitize business operations. If you represent a different industry, check out our Mapon Across Industries playlist for videos on other industries, or comment below on what we should take a look at next. Back to the matter at hand. As the e-commerce market grows, so does the demand for delivery services. Nowadays, businesses providing courier and delivery services need more than simple GPS tracking to keep up with competitors. So solutions like route planning and optimization are key to ensuring service quality and customer satisfaction. The Mapon platform lets you track vehicles' locations and other data whenever you need it. This is immensely useful when planning deliveries or assigning tasks, as live information on each courier's whereabouts, delivery estimates, available drivers, and so on will help stay on top of delivery statuses, adjust to complications, and make the right decision swiftly. Live data on fleet-wide fuel consumption lets businesses ensure optimal fuel usage by monitoring vehicle or driver efficiency and implementing data-based measures to improve effectiveness or fuel security. For example, if a certain vehicle is using too much fuel, it might be too worn out, facing some technical issues or leakage. If a specific driver is using too much fuel, it might be because they're speeding or idling too much, in which case driver coaching would be beneficial. We also have cases of clients reducing monthly fuel usage by up to 40%, after our monitoring solutions allow them to identify fuel theft and adjust accordingly. As the name suggests, the fleet efficiency solution lets businesses ensure they're getting the most out of their fleet. With easy-to-oversee dashboards reflecting information on daily driving and idling times or time spent with the ignition on or off, you can make informed decisions about changing the size or usage of your fleet. If you're concerned with the performance of fleet drivers, check out our driving behavior analysis. The solution tracks risky maneuvers like speeding, harsh turns or braking, as well as good practices, like cruise control usage, and grades each driver. Managers can then advise drivers on what they should change to conserve fuel, ensure packages make it safely to customers, and uphold the company's good reputation. For situations when you need additional context or if something goes wrong in the fleet and you require proof, video cameras can be set up on delivery vehicles' dashboards, sides, or in their cargo compartments. Mapon video solutions let you have a live look into fleet vehicles and get recorded proof of traffic accidents or packages getting or not getting damaged. Mapon platform users can plan out routes with multiple stops and optimize them to save fuel and time, for example, by avoiding traffic jams. Our clients providing courier and delivery services have used it to plan routes with specific time windows and keep track of route progress or arrival times. In turn, this has helped them stay informed on schedule deviations and give more accurate delivery information to customers. Deliveries can be made even simpler with the help from the Mapon Go mobile app. Managers can choose to use the platform from their desktop or the Manager app to plan and assign routes, check working hours, communicate with couriers, and receive live updates and documentation from them. Meanwhile, couriers can use their smart devices to receive pre-planned routes, log working hours, communicate with managers by sending messages or photos, as well as fill out and submit delivery forms. We developed the work time solution specifically to help businesses remotely manage the work of mobile employees, which means it's practically tailor-made for courier and delivery service providers. Employees can log their workload from their mobile devices and note down other specifics, while managers can use that data in reports for wage calculation. Your workflow gets far simpler when you can use the same platform to oversee fleet vehicles, route deliveries, and ensure communication between couriers, delivery managers, and warehouse operators. The Mapon platform offers a communication tool with a user-friendly interface and the possibility to exchange texts, photos, videos, and documents. The Mapon platform lets businesses digitize all paper forms used for daily operations. This enables delivery workers to fill out digital delivery forms from their mobile devices. You can log completed deliveries, collect signatures, and other necessary information, and send the finished form to the back office as soon as it's done. Also, you can create custom forms that are specific to your business needs. Overall, Mapon can help courier and delivery companies be more competitive with solutions that let them plan out and schedule their workload, monitor moving vehicles and their efficient use, as well as solutions that improve internal processes like communication, maintenance tracking, and wage calculations. While these are the solutions most commonly used by our clients that provide courier and delivery services, we'll be happy to discuss your specific needs or challenges and achieve your business goals together. Let's talk.